see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Let me see. What are you wearing today? It's in the car. Turn around. Show mama. Look at mommy. Wow, so pretty. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going, Baba?
Say hi, guys.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Say hi.
I'm a bit short.
How about you? Okay, let's go. Hi guys, good morning.
Hi, guys.
Good morning. Good morning, Ali.
Morning.
Ayan, ali tayo guys. Kasi nga, diba, sabi ko sa inyo, mamimili tayo ng mga gamit namin na dadalhin sa Bali. So, samahan nyo kami. Ayan si Ali. Say hi. Hi. So, yeah. Si Kuya nasa school, si Sak walang pasok. Bukas pa siya. So, okay, let's go. Guys, dito muna kami sa may food court, sa may Big W kasi si Sak nagugutom. 10:30 pa lang, nag-request na siya na gusto niya raw ng sushi. So dito muna, bilhan ko muna siya ng sushi. Ayan siya. Sit down here, Baba. So how many Sak you want? How many sushi? 2 please. Huh? Pardon?
Do you have
Allow 3? Do you want 3? Okay. Kung allow daw na 3 guys. Iba rin to si Sak eh. Gutom na siya. Okay. Watch your sister, okay? Okay. Dito ako bibili ng sushi niya. Yes. Make sure you finish it. Punta na kami ng Big W. Nakaubos si Sak ng 3 sushi. Nakita nyo naman. Pero sabi niya, the best pa rin daw ang tuyo. Right, Sak? Is tuyo is still the best?
Yes.
Yes. Ako isa lang na sushi. Hati pa kami ni Holly. Si Sak 3. Iba din talaga si Sak. Aba. So, dito tayo sa mga napi, guys. Kasi kuha tayo ng napi kasi si Holly, kailangan niya ng napi dun sa Bali. Ayan. Ano siya? Size 4, 10 to 15 kilograms na siya. So, kuha tayo nito. Alright.
Why you need a heap for barley?
Yes, because Holly needs a lot of...
Do you have to bring a 5 nappies there?
Yeah, we're gonna bring some and then we're gonna leave some in our house.
Mom, when we do the barley, it's only Holly's birthday. Who can say next? TJ?
Who?
TJ?
No.
What's that, Mom?
A nappy bag. Get 2 boxes, please. Thank you. So far, yan na yung nakukuha namin. Oh. Hi! Ito, binili ko sa kanya kasi naka-sale lang naman. $5 each. Pantulog niya. Ayan.
One.
No, that's not bonds. Here.
But we have bonds.
Here. What size are? This is for Kuya TJ.
So what number is it? Where's the number?
That's for Kuya.
Where's the number?
6. Ayan. 6 to 8. You have to find for you. Find yours. Yeah. That one? Okay, get that one.
What have these two?
Yeah, the other one.
And then what have these ones?
Okay, put it here.
This one?
Yep.
5 bucks.
No, it's 5 pairs. Ayan guys, tapos na kami dito sa Big W. Ilalagay lang namin itong mga pinamili namin sa cart. Tapos punta kami ng Woolies kasi bibili ako ng sunscreen tsaka apples para pambaon nila TJ. Dapat sa Kohl's kaso nandito na rin kami dito sa may Big W. Nandyan lang naman yung Woolies sa side ko. Dito na lang. So yan, ilagay lang muna natin to sa car. Can you do it, Sa? Can you do it? Okay, let's go. Malamig ang timoy ng hangin. Guys, nag-stop over ako dito sa may Michael Hill kasi nawawala yung lock ng earrings ni Holly. So, mayroon silang binibenta ito. $12
So it's still on the warranty.
Oh, so it's still alright?
So bring it in to us and we will...
Okay, thank you. So, yung naputol kong kwintas, may warranty pa daw. So, pwede nilang i-fix. So, dadaling ko siya dito bukas. So, yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. And then, I get that one. So, eto, bilan natin ulit si Holly ng lock sa kanyang earrings. What doing there is that? Eto, favorite ko to guys. Wasabi yung flavor. Ayan. Gustong gusto ko siya. Wala tayo nitong 5. 3. Nak, can you please? Thank you. Oh, that's spicy. That's for mommy. 3, 4, 5. Thank you. Ito favorite ko ni John. Kuha tayo nito. 4. Yes, please. We bring some in Bali.
They came for Bali.
Yes. What do you want? Okay, get something for you. What's that? Okay, you share with Kuya TJ, okay? Okay. Share with Kuya TJ and Holly, okay? Tic-tac.
Tic-tac.
Wala akong nabiling gatas doon sa Woolies kasi wala sila yung para sa age ni Holly, and then wala rin ako nakuha ang sunscreen. So dito na lang sa Coast, inantok na si Holly. Oh, hi! So punta tayo ng Coast, guys. Say, see ya!
Yeah.
See ya! Look at si Saksa, come on! Yeah, Sakay, guys. Yeah, Holly got it. No, not yet, Papa. Tapos ako yung sa Coast, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog doon kasi wala naman akong nabiling sunscreen tsaka gatas ni Holly. Kumuha lang ako ng konting groceries, then kinunan ko na lang yung nasa counter kung ano man nabili ko doon. And then dito kami sa Baker's Delight kasi kumuha rin ako ng bread. And yeah, that's it for today's, guys. So, say see ya!
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
See ya at Bali.
See you in Bali.
How many more sleep we do on the Bali?
2 more weeks. So maybe less than 20. So yan, guys, please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See ya. Excited na si Sak. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.
Don't.
Okay, what?
Are we not Friday?
Yes, of course.
How many? Are we not doing jet stuff?
I'm not sure. Hindi ko alam. We'll see ya. See you guys. Bye.
guys.
Bye.
See you at Bali.
Bye, Holly.
I'll see you in the weekend.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause